Welcome to EcoStruxure Building Operation for Life Sciences, a platform engineered to elevate pharmaceutical, biotech, and regulated manufacturing environments to new levels of performance, compliance, and digital intelligence. Across the globe, life science organizations rely on precision, reliability, and traceability. EcoStruxure bring these critical elements together on a unified, cyber-secure, scalable platform, empowering teams to protect product integrity, ensure patient safety, and operate smarter than ever before. The experience begins with a powerful global portfolio dashboard. EcoStruxure seamlessly consolidates every site, from R&D labs to full-scale production campuses, into a single view. Alarms, analytics, sustainability KPIs, and operational performance indicators are instantly visible, enabling leaders to make informed decisions without delay. A single click takes you from a global map to a site experiencing a critical event, delivering unparalleled speed from detection to action. As the perspective zooms into the selected site, EcoStruxure reveals a truly connected campus. Security systems integrated into access control, energy usage and charging infrastructure synchronized into the building ecosystem, live weather, occupancy and operational data displayed in real time, and critical alarms highlighted with visual clarity. Every subsystem is unified, delivering situational awareness in a way that enhances efficiency, safety, and compliance. Now, let's zoom into the manufacturing building. Here you can see how EcoStruxure takes room monitoring to the next level. Within controlled manufacturing areas such as air handling units, plant equipment, blending suites, and clean rooms, the system provides real-time visibility into temperature, humidity pressure, and airflow. Interactive floor plans to pinpoint deviations, local HMIs for on-site verification, and automated alarm escalation and audit-ready documentation. The informative and interactive graphics combined with alarm and trend analysis allows teams to quickly pinpoint the underlying cause of any environmental deviation, enabling timely corrective action that helps avoid unnecessary disruptions and maintains compliant operating conditions. This is compliance built for speed, helping teams maintain control while minimizing downtime. And importantly, EcoStruxure includes a robust compliance framework specifically designed for regulated environments, with enforced change control, electronic signatures including dual approval, secure time-stamped audit trails, and certified PDF reporting. From changing set points to acknowledging alarms and documenting corrective actions, every step is recorded with complete traceability, supporting inspections and audits with confidence. This is digital compliance made simple. Next, the demo moves into the scheduling interface, an essential feature for planning controlled activities such as room cleaning, maintenance calibration, or equipment downtime. The schedule tool allows operators to visually drag and adjust time slots, ensuring maintenance and cleaning activities occur within approved windows. When a room is placed into an out-of-service period, alarms are automatically suppressed, workflows are streamlined, and staff can perform tasks without generating unnecessary deviations. Once the schedule ends, the system restores the room to its normal operating mode automatically. This reduces manual actions, minimizes human error, and ensures procedures remain compliant and traceable. Scheduling brings structure and predictability to regulated environments, helping teams coordinate work while maintaining strict environmental control. Moving on to the trend feature. Trend charts provide deep insight into how critical environmental parameters behave over time. In life science spaces, where temperature, humidity, pressure, and airflow must remain within tight specifications, these visual tools become essential. Trend views allow users to compare multiple data points simultaneously, such as room humidity sensors versus supply and return air humidity. This makes it easy to identify root causes, detect sensor drift, or validate equipment performance. With high-resolution data points, zoomable timelines, and multiple overlay options, trends help engineers and quality teams understand exactly when conditions changed and why. These tools support batch view deviation analysis and continuous improvement efforts. Trend visualization transforms raw sensor data into meaningful operational intelligence, providing confidence that environmental conditions remain stable, controlled, and compliant. Now, let's take a look at one of the most powerful capabilities in EcoStruxure Building Operation for life sciences. It's reporting and documentation tools, purpose-built for GxP compliance. EcoStruxure automatically captures every event, every deviation, and every operator action across the entire facility and presents it through clean, audit-ready reports that simplify investigations and regulatory reviews. Let's take a closer look at alarm event reporting and open an alarm event report. Notice how the system not only shows when the alarm occurred, but also who acknowledged it, what actions were taken, and any comments entered as part of the electronic signature process. Every entry is time-stamped, linked to a unique user credential, and sealed into the audit trail, ensuring complete data integrity. Now, let's open a trend log report. This provides graphical and tabular views of critical environmental data, such as temperature, humidity, and pressure. These reports are often used by quality teams during batch reviews because they give a clear, verified timeline of how conditions were maintained throughout production. EcoStruxure also supports exception reporting, which means instead of combing through thousands of stable data points, the system highlights only the values that drifted out of specification. This saves quality teams hours of manual review time and directs focus to what truly matters. Now, let's switch to the Systems Events Report. This is where every configuration change, signature event, set point adjustment, and workflow action is recorded. For regulated environments, this creates a complete, tamper-evident chain of custody for every controlled parameter, something that is essential during audits and inspections. All of these reports can be exported as digitally certified PDFs, preserving authenticity and preventing unauthorized modifications. And to streamline operations even further, EcoStruxure can automatically distribute reports, sending daily or weekly summaries directly to quality, engineering, or production teams. With these reporting capabilities, EcoStruxure doesn't just help you manage building conditions, it gives your organization the confidence, documentation, and traceability required for GxP compliance. From environmental trends to change control to alarm investigations, everything is captured clearly, securely, and automatically, ensuring your site stays inspection ready at all times. Now, let's look at the EcoStruxure Life Science dashboard, the command center that brings your facility's performance, sustainability, and operational health together in one intuitive view. The user customizable dashboard presents clear, real-time KPIs designed for instant understanding. At a glance, site leaders can see essential metrics such as energy usage, utility trends, water consumption, renewable energy contribution, and overall sustainability performance. Each visual tile is fully interactive, enabling users to drill down from high-level summaries into detailed insights. Energy managers can immediately examine total energy consumption, analyze peak periods, and compare performance across months or production campaigns. Water usage is monitored continuously, offering life science facilities precise control over a critical resource. The dashboard helps teams see how operational changes, production expansions, or seasonal variations influence overall consumption. The dashboard is built to tell a meaningful story. It shows how the site is performing today, how it compares with historical data, and where opportunities for efficiency and improvement exist. By unifying operational data, sustainability indicators, and facility trends into a single visual experience, EcoStruxure empowers teams to make faster, smarter, and more sustainable decisions. This is the dashboard that turns data into action, giving life science sites complete visibility and helping them stay ahead in performance, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. With EcoStruxure Building Operation, life science facilities gain full visibility, complete control, and actionable insights at every level. The platform supports your mission to ensure product safety, maintain compliance, and optimize performance across your campuses. From intuitive dashboards to intelligent automation, EcoStruxure helps your teams work more efficiently and make informed decisions with confidence.